Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Stocks are rising. The Asian-Pacific region saw nearly all large bourses rise, with China the notable exception. The Stoxx 600 in Europe is up more than 1%, posting gains for the third consecutive day, the longest advance this month. The U.S. futures are now up around 2% after yesterday's holiday. The U.S. dollar is generally heavier. The Scandis are leading this move ahead of Norway's 25 BP increase on Thursday. Today, the only G10 currency not outperforming the greenback is the yen. The price of gold is not moving quickly, and it trades within the wide range established last Thursday. August WTI traded as low as $106.40 yesterday in an outside-down day. Today, the price has risen to $110. Asian-Pacific market. The Bank of Japan is determined to keep the 0.25% limit on the 10-year yield at 0.25%, so there seems to be little risk of material intervention to support yen. Verbal intervention has been successful. The dollar is now just a fraction of the multi-year high it reached against the Japanese yen last week at JPY 135.60. The Reserve Bank of Australia Governor, Lowe, resisted speculation that the Reserve Bank of Australia would raise the cash rate by 75 basis points when it meets again on July 5. He stated that there would be a discussion between 25 BP to 50 BP moves. The Australian dollar trades firmly, but still within yesterday's range. Market of Europe. This week is crucial for the UK, Prime Minister Johnson and others. Many others are considering striking. It is also the largest cost of living squeeze for households and the most significant industrial action in 30 years. This week's economic news is poor. The price pressures continue to increase. CPI and PPI will be reported tomorrow. Sterling is still strong despite the industrial action. It is still within the range of last Friday. German steel workers agreed to a 6.5% pay increase after lengthy negotiations and warnings. They also received a €500 one-off payment. This 4.3% annualized increase in pay is the largest in several decades. However, inflation in Germany was 7.9%. In the European morning, the euro traded at an all-time high of $1.0575. Market of America. Biden's administration will announce its decision regarding the federal gasoline tax before the week ends. For several weeks, there has been much talk about efforts to reduce price pressures and gasoline prices. Tomorrow, Powell will begin his semi-annual two-day testimony before Congress. The U.S. dollar reached its peak before the weekend, but it was still in a downtrend today. It sat at CAD 1.29. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.